Talk 21, Tool Handles. Today we will talk about tool handles. Handles may seem simple, but they are very important. Take a hammer, for example. The handle must match the weight of the head. The shape and size must fit your hand. It should be smooth and free of splinters. The head must be well attached. When everything is correct, using the hammer is easy. If the handle is wrong, nails bend. You can hit your fingers. Work becomes harder and slower. Problems often happen when handles are replaced. Some people use the wrong size or shape. Some even use a regular piece of wood. The same applies to all hammers. Pay attention to tool handles, even for mechanics. A dirty handle can slip from your hand. This causes crushed fingers or flying particles. Axes are even more dangerous. A good axe handle gives precision. A loose or broken handle turns the axe into a hazard. Inexperienced workers risk serious injury. Pick handles must be correct too. A broken or loose handle can make the pick slip. It can hit feet or ankles. File handles must also be checked. A missing or loose handle can injure the next user. Inspect all handles before use. Not all tools need deep analysis, but check for correct size, good condition, proper attachment. In summary, treat tools with care. Use tools for their intended purpose. A good handle makes work efficient and safe. A bad handle can cause accidents. Take care of your tools and handles, they protect you.